Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's vanAmsen with another live coding challenge. So today we are diving into the exciting world of array as we tackle LeetCode rotate array challenge. And guess what? We are exploring a super cool method to solve this. So let's dive in. Let's start by understanding the challenge. We have an integer array and our task is to rotate this array to the right by key steps. And the twist, we need to do this efficiently in place. So picture this. You have an array, let's say, as an example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we need to rotate it by 3. So what will happen? We will rotate 7, 6, and 5. So our 5, 6, 7 will be moved to the right by 3, starting from the first element, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. As simple as this. But now the logic. How do we achieve this? Instead of usual shifting, we will employ a nifty trick called reversal method. So here is the breakdown. We need to reverse entire array and reverse the first key element and reverse the remaining element as well. And that is whole logic. So let's start with our rotate function. So we will first handle the edge case by adjusting key if it's larger than the array length. So rotate will be n len nums and key modulo n self reverse num0 n minus 1, and then self reverse num0 n key minus 1 and self reverse num key by n minus 1. And now we have our reverse self num list int from start to end return known. So next what we do in our core function, so we reverse the entire array. So it's done by nums reverse from 0 to n minus 1. Then we reverse the first key element, and then we reverse the last elements from key to n minus 1. So, but we are not done yet. So we need our helper function to reverse a section of the array we just write it. So while start less than end, num start, num end, num end, num start will be start end, start plus 1, and end minus 1. So this is our reverse function. So now let's run it to see if it's working. So yeah, all good. So this function simply swap elements moving inward from the end of the section we want to reverse. And no code is complete without testing for uncertain test cases. So let's submit it and see how we pass it or not. So yep, all good. And our implementation bit 55% with respect to runtime. So quite good and really interesting implementation in my opinion. And that's a wrap for today's challenge. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the rotate array challenge using the reversal method. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more coding adventure. And as always, happy coding and see you in the next one.